Good morning again. Here we are in Gran Canaria. It's a lovely morning again, so this is really good. Last time we were here, it was tipping with rain, wasn't it? So we didn't actually get to walk very far. But today, it looks like a gorgeous morning, so we're going to go for a bit of a walk. Not too sure exactly where, although I think there's a bit of a beach somewhere with some nice rocks. Maybe a little bit of a hill, but it won't be anything too strenuous because of Amanda's bad knee. We'll take you along with us, just in case there's any use to you in the future if you come here and fancy going for a walk. Well, that slightly scuppered our plans. I thought we knew where we were going, but we had to get onto a shuttle bus rather than walking. So they've actually dropped us down into the town centre, but now I'm not too sure which way we're going. But hey-ho, I'm sure we'll find a way. Well, that was a really nice walk, actually, wasn't it? My phone, no, my watch says we have walked. No, it doesn't know. So my watch says we've walked about 2.5 miles. We probably had walked half a mile or so before I started tracking that. So it's a nice, easy walk along the edge. There's some nice cliffs. It's quite barren here, isn't it? Sort of typical, I suppose, of Canary Islands out away from the towns. Nice to get out and get some fresh air. There's not many people here, so it's right up our street, really, isn't it? Yep, but very good. Is it good? Wow, this is lovely, isn't it? So that was a really lovely walk. It was about probably 3 miles in total, wouldn't it? So that was good. We've walked back down through the town, past the beach. There's loads of different places here to eat and drink. So we have just stopped at a nice little restaurant here, and we're just getting a drink. This is a Bob Marley, which is quite interesting, and Amanda's having the typical mojito, but this tastes lovely, so it's really really nice to have a drink after our other mojito that we stopped en route, which Amanda insisted that we stop, but that was good, a nice Cuban mojito. And now we're back here, so we're just going to drink this and then have a walk around the town, have a look before we go back onto the ship.